In front of me is Honor 9X Pro, and let me show you how to use camera timer on this device. So at first you need to locate your camera app. In my case it's right here. Then once you're in photo mode, tap on more icon, and here you will notice timer. Click on it, pick 5, 10 or 2 seconds delay. Let me choose 5 seconds delay. Then go back, and as you can see now, you can grab a photo with 5 seconds delay. And that's it. It has been done with this delay, and whenever you would like to switch it off, just reach the settings firstly, select, okay, so it has been, let me just turn the display around, okay, so here it is, and then smoothly pick timer again, and turn it off by tapping on off. And this is it. This is how you can activate, deactivate, and obviously use camera timer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.